Hello, today is Sunday, June 6th, and this is a lawn that I've just thatched, aerated, seeded, and fertilized, and I put a 50-pound bag of soil amendment on here. I did the front and the back lawn. I'm going to come back in about a month's time and take a look at it. Once again, this is Stewart with Aerating-Thatching Company. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hello, my name is Stewart. I'm a landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. And today is June 24th. This is a lawn that I had previously thatched, aerated, seeded, fertilized, and I put some soil amendment here on it. Today is, like I say, June 24th. And I just came by to check out and see what the results are here. And I'm really liking what I see. Once again, this is Stewart with the Aerating and Thatching Company. And thank you for watching my video. Bye-bye.